Hi there, it's Jason here from 4XPipSnager and 4XUturn, and today is January 31st, 2012. Okay, so let's take a quick look here at the setups. Okay, here is our 10 o'clock GMT. Um, Basically, there was a trade here. Okay, I think there was. Let's go and take this auto scroll out. Looked like a buy fake. Yeah, well, yeah, okay, so we made new highs, yeah. Um, there was no trade here because there was resistance here from this first ideal pullback. But this was the second one when it broke through and came back. And as you can see, it didn't work out. It just came back down and came back up, and then down she went. Okay? So anyway, there was a buy fake here, losing trade. Okay? However, when this broke through this support, okay, came down and then basically, well, yeah, we didn't have a trade here yet because we needed to break through this support. So this was in the U.S. session here, okay. Then once we broke through support, sell, 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 sell all the retraces all the way down. As you can see, successful trading. You would have made up for your loss if you did went up here. But if you only solely traded the UK session, well, you kind of got chopped around a bit. Looks like they're going to sell it off, even though I heard Greece, they're going to have some auditors auditing the money, or somewhere in Europe or something, and that was supposed to be good news for the euro. But look what's happening. The euro's tanking now because of it. Yeah, okay, well, just goes to show you that news, fundamental news, it's like, if you try and go by that and what they say, it'll sound positive, and you'll buy it or whatever, and it'll take the market the other way. Or it'll be negative news, and you'll sell it, and they'll buy the damn thing, just to screw you around. This is why I do not trade fundamental news. I trade technical, meaning I trade what I see, not what I assume to think is going to happen. And that's how you stay out of trouble in trading. Okay, let's move on here now to the 1 minute. Okay. Yes, we had a trade. Oh, no, we didn't. Ah, you buggers. Always bouncing off these levels. See, they bought it off here. Then it came up. This would have been our sell, but that didn't happen. There was no buy here because it was red in the filter down here. Okay. Basically, right here at our opportunity not to trade after 4 o'clock in the morning is when it gave a nice trade and it shot up. Okay, no trades on the scalper, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at the pound quickly. Oh, the pound, the pound, the pound. Yeah, it was just one continuous uptrend. Eh? See, it didn't want to go down today with the euro. It wanted to go up. Of course, they forced it back down a couple times with the U.S. dollar did, but it's still, as soon as any little bit of retracement, look at how it shot back up. Yeah, it didn't want to go down. The pound and the euro do not follow each other so much anymore. The queen and the king. The king is the pound. The queen is the euro. The queen used to follow the king wherever the king would go. But I think now that the queen and the king got divorced. Oh no. Trouble with the king and queen, the royal family. No, I'm just joking. Anyway, okay, let's get back to this now. Anyway, this was not the correct. Well, let's go take a look back in time. It may have been the correct gap. No, not really. See, it was too skinny. You'd want it to be a little bit wider than that, which it didn't produce for us. So anyway, all you could do is buy some dips on the way up in the pound. There was no selling here. There was no buying up here because it was selling off resistance. There's no selling here. See, now it's just starting to turn red in the filter here. So, no, it wasn't a good deal. It's very choppy with the pound today. Let's take a quick look at that Swiss. Oh, look at the Swiss. Just like the euro. Gave a sell fake, just like the euro over here. I tell you, I think they tagged these markets together again because they're looking identical in an opposite way again, where they weren't for the longest time. But every day I'm looking at them now, they're looking identical. It's like they tagged them together. Yes, just like the US dollar and the euro. It's looking very, very similar again. Very interesting. Anyway, they did a sell fake, and then, you know, basically right up in here, turned blue. You can start buying the dips right from our beautiful trigger line, right up to 92. Okay, so that's it for ForexPipSnager. Let's take a quick look at 1 hour, not 1 hour Forex. I already did that video. Forex UTurn. Here we go. Okay. Well, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Let's cover yesterday and today. Okay, today is Tuesday. Look at the euro. They're just sinking it down. Woo! Down, down we go. Where is it going to stop? Nobody knows. Okay, so anyway, we got a perfect M formation here. Okay, and sure enough, it turned red over here. But if you were aggressive and you sold up here, well, you made about 100 pips. Then you got a W formation, and if you bought somewhere in here, well, you made about 70, 75 pips at the top. Not that you'd make totally that, but you made some good pips. And then, as you can see here, this is not a correct formation, so there was no selling on this big move down. Okay? Maybe there was on a smaller time frame. Yeah, see, it did a flip-flop before it came down. I wouldn't trade this with the 15-minute. It's better to trade it with, here's the 30-minute did a flip-flop as well. But it is showing the M and the W, see? But yeah, I guess you can trade it on a 30-minute as well, you know. Like I said, there's other things that you can look for to make this work for you. And that is not just the W formation, but once you see the moving average cross here, okay, and you have that, it's basically a 1/4 of an inch gap here, and they follow each other. See how nicely they follow each other? And you just buy when the green's on top, and you sell when the green's on the bottom. So right in here, it told you to sell. You have this nice 1 inch or 1/4 inch separation that comes all the way down. I believe I mentioned that to you guys before. I don't know if you caught that or whatever. It's probably a long time ago I said it. It's kind of just a way of looking at the chart and the way the moving averages plot when it's moving one way or another. Okay, so that's it for the euro. Let's take a quick look at the pound. Say there was no buying here. It did not give the proper M. See, nor here. I can't even find one. But look, it's starting to give, a W formation here. There's no W formation to buy. It's starting to give an M formation here. It's real funny. I was talking to a new trader friend of mine, and he's saying, yeah, he's saying M's and W's. He goes, it stands for money and win. So when you see a W, get in because you're going to win. When you see an M, get in because you're going to make some money. Okay. Anyway, that's it for the setups for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.